Hello great mind, welcome to my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your coin on Binance. How to sell your coin on Binance. For instance, you have USDT and you want to transfer it to another wallet. How do you transfer your USDT from point A wallet to point B wallet? So follow me in this video. At the end of this video, you will see the simple approach, the right way to do it. Come with me. Let's go to Binance. So once you open your Binance like this, what you need to do on your Binance is to look at your wallet. Down you will see wallet, click wallet, and I have USDT. So I want to send out, let's say 15 USDT to another wallet. So how do I do that? First of all, I'll click my USDT and I will look down below. You will see withdrawal and deposit. I have like $34 and I need to withdraw $15. So what do? I click at withdrawal. So you will see send the crypto network or send the email, phone number or ID. So in Binance platform, there are two ways in which you can send cryptocurrency. If you're sending to Binance, you can use your email address. You can use the person for the recipient email address, phone number or ID. But if you're sending to another exchange, you can actually just use the wallet address, which several people love using. So what do? We click at the send the crypto network. And here there is address, network, withdrawal amount, and the rest. So at the first page, you click at the first box, which asks long press to paste your address. So you're going to copy the wallet address. So I kept the wallet address on my notes, and this is BEP20. You can see BEP20, and I have to copy. I want to copy. I just copy the wallet address, and I come to here, long press and paste. Here's the wallet address, and this wallet address is BEP20. Like you can see here, is BEP20 written here. So we'll come here. That is the network. The most important part I want you to look at is the network. If you use the wrong network, your crypto will be lost. This crypto will leave your wallet and it will never get to the destination where you were sending it to. So note this, be careful. The most important thing is the network in which you are sending. There are different type of network. There are BEP20 network. There is TRC network. There is Polygon network. There is Avalanche network. There is Optimism, and a whole lot of them. I will make another video teaching you about this network and how to be mindful about them. So let's not take this video very long. So let's go straight to the point. So remember, the network we are sending to is BEP20. Don't worry, I will make a video teaching you networks, the meaning and importance of it. And I will use analogy to things you can easily relate to. That's how I teach. I bring analogy to things you can easily relate with. With that type of analogy, you can easily understand this whenever you see them. So click network. You see there are several networks. For this reason, we are going to use BNB Smart Chain. BEP20. That's the network compatible to the one I'm sending this crypto to. So I will click on it. Then I will come to withdrawal amount. The minimum I can withdraw here is 5. Be mindful of that. If you send below 5, it might be lost. So I'll click 15, which is what I want. And that's it. I'll click withdraw. Now, if you look at it, the total withdrawing is 15 and there was no charge. The reason why there was no charge is because the address I'm sending to is Binance address. This address I'm sending to, this USDT wallet address that I am sending $15 to, belongs to Binance. So Binance AI intelligence recognize whatever wallet that is coming from their platform. So that is P2P, wallet P2P from one wallet user to another wallet user, the transaction is free. But if I'm sending to KuCoin or Trust Wallet or to any other wallet, they are going to charge me. For BEP20, they're going to charge me about 33 cents. But in this, as you can see here, they say 0.33 cents. What they should have charged me if it was from another network, from another exchange. But because it's Binance, it was cancelled, meaning it's now 0.00 USDT for network fee. So I can go ahead to confirm. Yeah, so they will ask for a few security verification, my Google Authenticator. So I will just look for it here and copy my code and paste it, and that's it. So I've successfully withdraw. It's still in process. It will take a couple of minutes, like 2, 3, 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. So this USDT will arrive at the destination. Well, let's just wait. Okay, that is now the confirmation from the person who I sent this 15 USDT to. So this is the confirmation. It has arrived to the person wallet address. So if this video is informative to you, so I want you to like, just comment below what you've learned from the video, and also share it to your friends and your family who might need this. Yes, share it to your friends and family. And also, hey, don't go anywhere yet. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to this channel. If you love what we are doing here, the only way you can support us is to subscribe to this channel. The only way you can support us is to comment what you've learned, so people will see that this is reasonable, this is informative, this information is useful, and the YouTube algorithm will help us push our video because they see it is useful to the people watching it. So if this video is useful to you, please do the needful. Thanks for watching, thanks for engaging, thanks for supporting us. See you in the next video.